Hey guys, so today we're good. Let's go ahead and do a recap of pretty much all the opportunities that happened in the market. Right, as you guys can see, I already have everything drawn out from the day. But let's go to a higher time frame so you guys can kind of understand where everything came from. Okay, so just by looking at this, right, you can tell the market is going down. The market is not bullish; it is going down, right? You can tell the market is on a downwards trend just by looking at this from the 1 hour time frame. And of course, if you go into the 4 hour, you get to see it more clearly, exactly. So you can see the market is going down, right? So let's move on to the 1 hour. We can see the 1 hour, 30, 15. Let's look at the 30 first. So on the 30, this is what we're paying attention to, the zone over here. This is the today, this was today's price action. Okay. So as you can see, the 30 minute, we have a huge change of character to the upside. This huge wig at 8:30 just pushed up right there. So most people would have thought the market was gonna, but as you can see, the market comes back down and just continues to push back down. But this is all hindsight. But let's go to a clearer time frame. So on the 15 minute, we can see what's going on over here. So it looks pretty too much. And let's go to the 15. So on the 15 minute, we can see we just had this huge change of structure to the upside from the on the 5 minute time frame, right? So we can see the market has a break of structure here. The market comes back to retest the zone over here, pushes back up. Now we have a break of structure to the upside, right? What happens next? The market comes back down from this high, takes out the slow over here. Okay, so when we see something like that, we can clear it. The market doesn't want to continue going higher because we want to see a strong close above the high, right? But look what happens. Since we have been in an overall downtrend, I'm more likely to say, okay, the market wants to short. But I'm not going to go ahead and take a short unless I have some confirmation saying the market wants to short. So after we had this break of structure to the upside, what you do is you go from the high to the low. Over here, you can see we do get a 50% retracement. Now we want to see signs of weakness. Okay, so first of all, we can see that we had a bullish. You can see the market was going up, up. Then we have this candle come out and take out the slow over here. So the market goes down. So we have this breaker structure and the market comes by and takes out this candle again. Okay. So I want to actually draw this out so you guys can see this. So we have this breaker structure over here to the downside. And we have another breaker structure from here right there. So we have two breaker structures. So the first one, the second one to confirm the trend will continue wants to keep going down. And so pretty much you put your entry right here because we had this first break, second break. Your stop loss would be at this high. So why is it going to be at this high? Because if the market comes back up to this high, it means this is no longer valid. That's why I put out stop loss there. And you just go ahead and target a 1 to 2. That's pretty much it. You can target a 1 to 2 or you can target this low, which is almost still a 1 to 2. So 1 to 2 right there, as you can see, the market played it wrong. I didn't take this trade actually because I was kind of asleep. I had to work today. So, but what happens next? So the market continue to push back down. Over here again, we have a change of structure to the upside. Okay, so change of structure to the upside. We don't take a trade. We want to see the market comes back to hold this and push back. But no, what happens? The market comes back down, takes out the slow here. Now this becomes a breaker structure. Okay, so after we get this breaker structure to the downside, right? You go ahead and use your Fibonacci retracement to again from this high to this low. So from this high to this low, you can see the market starts to go up again, up, up, up. What happens next? This candle comes out and takes out the slow. So now we have a down and we have another down here. Okay. Now let's go ahead and draw so you guys can see properly. Okay. So let's push this down a little bit. Okay. So the first break happens right here. That's the first break. And this is the second break that happens. So we want to see two breaks of the candle. So we first break, second break, and as you guys can see, you can see my enter. So I entered right here. I entered right here. Stop loss at this high over here, and target at 1 to 2. Okay, or 1 to 2, and like I said, we won this trade. Like I said, we are just so you guys know, this is paper. We're trading this account because we want to build a proper strategy that works. So we're testing it out for 30 days, and if it can hold up in 30, if we're positive at the end of the 30 days, then we're gonna take this into a live funded account and some prop firm challenge. So just stay tuned. So as you can just to prove, as you can see, my entries over here, and if you look over here as well, as you can see, I took the trade and I won, as you can see over there. So we first of all we've been having a couple losing, a couple winning days. Now we're up $400 on the account, on $5,000 account, equivalent to a funded account. This would be $150,000 account. Okay, so that's why I just put $5,000. 5,000 as the buffer. So now, as you can see, this is the trade that I took. So one of the good things about the 5 minute strategy is because you take fewer trades, so you don't blow your account all in one day because you have to wait for the setup. And two trades a day is pretty much what you're gonna see. More than likely, sometimes three, but this is the strategy. So I hope you guys liked this video. It was pretty easy. As you can see, we had two opportunities over here and a banger. Hope you guys liked the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, comment down below. I would love to answer any questions you guys have. Thank you so much for watching.